Organizations operate in increasingly dynamic environments. The cost, time, and complexity of using traditional sensor-based object detection solutions leave them struggling to adapt fast enough to provide critical impact to decisions. So it's never been more important to have a solution that can rapidly create AI models to meet changing requirements. That's why Striveworks, a leader in MLOps for highly regulated industries, launched Gravity, a platform that automates triage and insight discovery at the edge, from sensors, cameras, and other data streams. Gravity works with Striveworks' flagship MLOps product, Chariot, to develop and deploy new capabilities in operationally relevant timelines. Together, Gravity and Chariot enable actionable insights in real time, based on data from any source. Common use cases include IoT data integration, data fusion and integration into corporate security systems. Let's see how it works with an example. This unmanned ground vehicle has both a standard camera as well as a thermal camera. An out-of-the-box algorithm is used to detect objects of interest from the standard camera's data. But what happens when requirements change? The objects to be detected, the sensor, or in this case, the deployment environment. Using a new data source like this thermal camera to try to detect objects obscured by environmental conditions makes the existing algorithm less accurate. Without retraining, it will miss or falsely identify objects it should detect. With Chariot, the existing algorithm designed for the standard camera is rapidly retrained to detect threats in thermal vision. Model-in-the-loop training expedites the time spent doing annotation, keeping the entire retraining to a matter of hours. Using Gravity, the new thermal detection capability is pushed to the sensor. In less than 24 hours from the need for a new capability to a field solution, Gravity and Chariot rapidly respond to emerging requirements, even in low-bandwidth environments. The new capability is fielded, and objects are detected with system alerts to users in real time. In a changing and uncertain world, the ability to augment your existing systems with new custom-made capabilities has never been more vital. Gravity and Chariot give your organization the opportunity to do that quickly and cost-effectively. For more information on how Striveworks can help your organization meet changing requirements, visit striveworks.us.